In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage users in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your user controls and how to add, import, edit, and remove users with confidence all from one place. Start by going to smartsheet.com. If you aren't already signed in, log in with an account that has admin permissions for your plan. User management controls are only available to admins, so if you don't see the options I'm showing, check your permission level or contact your plan administrator. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the Smartsheet interface and click the profile icon. This opens your account and admin options. From there, select User Management. This takes you to the central hub where you can see everyone on your plan, whether they're active, pending invitation, or deactivated, along with details like license status and roles. To add a user, click the Add User option, enter their work email address, and choose the appropriate license and role based on what they need to do in Smartsheet. As a best practice, only grant the level of access required for their responsibilities. You can include a short welcome message so they know why they're being added and send the invite. The person will receive an email, and once they accept, they'll appear as active in your list. If the invite isn't accepted, you can resend it later from the same page. If you're onboarding multiple people at once, use the import option. Upload a CSV that contains the user emails and, if supported in your plan, any relevant role or license information. Before you import, make sure your file is clean, one email per row, no duplicates, and correct formatting. The preview will help you confirm everything looks right. This is the fastest way to roll out access to a larger team. To edit or remove a user, find them in the list using the search bar, then open their profile. You can update their license type, adjust their role, or make other changes and save. If you need to remove someone, choose Remove or Deactivate, depending on your policy. Removing a user immediately revokes access and can free up a license seat. Before you remove someone who owns important assets, verify that critical sheets or dashboards have a new owner so work isn't disrupted. That's it. By using user management to add, import, and maintain users, you'll keep your Smartsheet environment secure, organized, and ready for your team to work efficiently. Regularly review your user list, keep roles aligned with responsibilities, and tidy up inactive accounts to maintain a healthy setup.